Everybody knows Beyonce Knowles. She's one of those global superstars that can even go by one name like Cher or Madonna. She is one of the biggest names in music, and one could even argue she is the biggest. But her father has a very controversial point of view about the whole thing. Michael Knowles, who is known as the man who helped mold Beyonce into what she is today, says his daughter would not be as famous if she had darker skin. He thinks the same thing about Solange also. He was talking to the magazine Ebony when he made the claim, relating it to his time as a youngster in the Deep South. He says the shade of one's blackness was considered important, and he says the biggest black stars today all have lighter skin. He even referenced the likes of Mariah Carey, Nicki Minaj, and Rihanna. We don't know what Beyonce thinks of this claim, but we think she would be a big deal even if she was purple. And we're pretty sure a lot of people agree. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.